What started as a frantic text message to 911 ended in a split-second life-or-death decision. This is bodycam footage from Westchester, Ohio, where officers were forced to break down a door to save a woman's life.
Can you answer your phone? Do you need us to come inside right now?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And you said there's no weapons inside right now?
No, I'm okay.
It's June 4th. Neighbors report loud banging and a woman screaming for help. When officers arrive, a man inside, 39-year-old Lorenzo Miller, claims it's just a verbal fight and refuses to open the door. But dispatch drops a massive red flag. Miller has a criminal record involving weapons and drugs, is wearing an ankle monitor, and the victim just managed to text one word to 911. Help!
After about breaching. Good. Whatever you want to do. What's that? You can probably stack them. Oh, that's gonna be me, yep. What's this got name?
It's like lettered early on.
Throughout the emergency traffic. You have a key? We don't have time. If you want to work on it, yes, but... Alright. Yep. Second entry. Switch me out. Switch me out. Police department, come to the stairs! Come top of the stairs!
Exigent circumstances. No time to wait for a warrant. Officers breach the front door and rush inside, following the sound of screams upstairs.
Hey, I need hands.
Hey, don't rush in here! Don't rush in here! Don't rush in here! I got the knife to her neck! Do not rush in here! Do not rush in here! Stop moving! Stop moving!
Hey,
Okay.
Stop moving!
Okay.
let her go.
That's me. That's me.
Come out, man. Come out.
My arm is broken.
Got you.
My arm.
Take her out.
Thank you guys so much.
Call me.
I was so scared.
I got you.
Thank you.
Notify admin.
They reach the top of the stairs and locate a locked bathroom. Inside, the situation has gone worst-case scenario. Miller is holding a knife directly to the woman's throat, warning officers not to come in. In a space no bigger than a few feet with zero margin for error, the lead officer makes the call. A single, precise shot. The threat is neutralized instantly. Officers immediately pull the victim to safety and shift right into rendering medical aid to Miller until paramedics arrive. The victim survived with injuries to her neck, ribs, and arm. Following an independent investigation by the Ohio Bureau of Criminal Investigation, a grand jury ruled the officer's use of lethal force was fully justified, saving a life when seconds counted.